Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class 8 we will discuss about that the assessment and exercise given in the book, in which first one is multiple choice question and tick the correct answer in which first one. So here is some points given into first one is the angle between an incident rays and the normal is 30 degree. The angle between their incident ray and reflected ray will be, if these incident ray is equal to the reflected rays, then there will be the option 30 degree. So first A is the right answer. Okay, next one, when light is incident upon rough surfaces even scopically, then rough such as this page of a paper is reflected in many directions. This is called regular reflection, diffuse reflection, multiple reflection, or lateral inversion. So this one is called as a diffused reflection. Second, B, diffused reflection. Question number 3, which of the following source of light is different from the others? So first one is sunlight, second sodium light, C light from a bulb, white light, sodium light, third C. Fourth one is path of the eye which controls the light entering is called part of the eye which controls the light entering, the light entering, which one controls the light entering into the eyes? What this structure is called actually? That is called iris. Here is option number A, fourth A, iris is control actually the entering of a light. Next one is, we can see non-luminous object when light emitted by the object falls on the eye. When the light is reflected from the object towards our eyes, completely passes through the object, get completed absorbed by the object. B, that is reflected from the object towards our eyes. Question number 5, B. Question number 6 is given as, if two mirrors A and B placed at right angle to each other as shown in a figure. So a ray of light incident on mirror A at the angle of 25 falls on a mirror B after reflection. The angle of reflection for the ray reflected from the mirror B would be as 25 degrees. So the sixth one A, it is also 25 degree. Next one, a small hole P is made. A small hole P is made in a piece of a cardboard. The hole is illuminated by a torch, and as shown in a figure alongside, the pencil of a light coming out of the holes fall on it. At which point should the eye be placed so that the hole can be seen? So here is the structure given. I will tell you about. This is the structure given like this, and here is perpendicular to it. It is a 90 degree, as you know that. So and here is the charged place. This one is cardboard, and here is a hole. Light entering towards it by focusing the torch on it. When it focuses the torch So here is a point D, B, C. So the question is, at which point should the eyes be placed so the hole can be seen? So the hole can be seen if we place at the position B, D, and here is position A. So we have to place our eyes at position A, that is at A position. Next, fill in the blanks. We will do that. Fill in the blanks. First, the distance from an object to plane mirror is the distance from the image of the mirror. The distance from an object to plane mirror is equal to the distance from the image. Is equal. Next question is, the image in a plane mirror is called as virtual image. What type image? Virtual image. Third one, bouncing back of a light after striking the surface in the same medium is called reflection. Next one is question number 4. The phenomena of splitting of white light into the 7 different colors is termed as scattering of light. Scattering. Fifth one is a band of a light obtained on a screen. It is called the band of a 7 color. The phenomena of splitting of white light into the 7 color, that is called as scattering of light, and the phenomena by which these light obtained, that one is called as dispersion of light. This one is called dispersion. This one is called as dispersion of light, and fifth one is called as scattering. Okay, now guys, we'll have to move on to the question third. Write true or false for the following and rewrite the false statements correctly, in which the question number 1 is given as the laws of reflection are true for the spherical mirrors. This is not for the spherical mirror, actually it is for spherical mirror. It is the false statement. This one is the false, and this can be rectified by the spherical. In place of spherical, it has to be written the plane mirror. Now question number 2. Ciliary muscles are responsible for the accommodation of eyes. Accommodation of eyes, that is correct answer. Question number 3. The number of images formed depends upon the angle between the mirrors. The number of images formed depends on the angles between the mirrors. 3. True. 3 1 is true. Question number 4. Cones are sensitive to bright light. Cones are sensitive to bright light. No, actually the cones are sensitive to what? The cones are sensitive to color and bright light. Color and bright light. Yes, the cones are sensitive to the bright light. It is true. Question number 5. Diffuse reflection is due to the failure of the law as reflection. Diffuse reflection is due to the Failure of law of reflection. It is correct. Next is question number second B. Very short answer question. Very short answer question. And in which first one is given as what is the range of the vision of a normal human eye? So must we answer about one, the normal range of a human eye, the normal range of a vision, the normal range of vision of human eye are 25 centimeter. That's it. Question number 2. Name the scientist who invented the concept that enables a blind person to read utilizing residual ability. So it is the name that is Braille, Louis Braille. Answer number 2, Louis Braille. Louis Braille is the name of the scientist who discovered the Louis Braille is the name of the scientist who discovered about the blind person to a specific way of learning. Next one is question number 3. Dispersion of light. Define the dispersion of light. How the dispersion of light takes place. So the dispersion of light is what actually? Question number 4. Dispersion of light. When the light falls on any prism, then it splits into 7 different colors. When this light falls on a bridge, it splits into the 7 colors. This splitting of light up of light is called as dispersal of light. Dispersal of light. Next is question number 5. Bhojo, while waving his hand very fast in front of his eyes, observed that his finger appeared blurred. What could be the reason for it? Answer number 5. When Bozo waved his finger, uh, then there is a short period through which no clear image formed. So why? No clear image formed, so why it can be blurred. So it is blurred. Now question number 6. Is given here as the angle between incident ray and reflected ray is 60. What is the value of angle of incident? The angle between the incident ray and reflected ray is 60. So what is the value of angle of incidence? Suppose if there is a angle between incident ray and reflected rays, incident rays and reflected rays, it is 60. So what would be the value of angle of incidence? Angle of incidence will be 30. So we can say the angle of incidence will be then angle of incidence will 30 degree. This is all about the question. We will talk to the next topic, to the next video.